Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a new sheet in Microsoft Excel. Right, so that's what I'm going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before we get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, as you can see, I already have my Microsoft Excel open up here. Right, so to create a new sheet, just come down here. If you look down here, this is the new sheet. This is sheet 1, so this is the sheet that you have. So if you wanted to create a new one, just come to this plus right here and then click on that, and then that will create a new sheet. So that's, you have this sheet 1 and then that sheet 2. So that's how you can create a new sheet in Excel. So it's really simple. Just come down here, and then if you wanted to create a third one, you can create that one, sheet 1, 2, and then 3. So that's how you can create a new sheet in Excel. So yeah, it's really simple. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give the thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please do consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. See you again in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.